Hey, thank you for your support. Thank you for your trust. Thank you for your business. Thank you for your many referrals. This year has been amazing. So today is Clients Appreciation Day. Today is all about you. Today we are here to acknowledge you, to appreciate you, to thank you for your business. And I just want to give you a couple of updates. This year our team, because of your support, because of your trust, because of your business, because of your referrals, our team has been recognized as the #1 fundraising single office for the Children's Hospital in downtown Los Angeles. And that's huge because there are many kids in our area here in our marketplace in LA that's in need. So Children's Hospital in Los Angeles is ranked as the top top hospital for children in the whole United States, and we have many kids in need here that we have because of your support. For every person that you send a referrals to our real estate sales team, we take a portion of our income to help kids at the Children's Hospital. So I just want to give you that update. This year we are on a mission to raise $100,000 to help children at the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. For every person that you refer to our real estate sales team, we take a portion of our income towards that mission. So thank you so much for participating. The reason you are here today is because you send referrals to our team. So I want to thank you for that. In addition to Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, we also, with your help, we also help a lot of kids and families globally with our partnership with World Harvest. We are on a mission to raise $100,000 to help kids and families globally. Just to give you some updates, this year we have built 6 medical clinics, hospitals, as well as water wells in remote islands and remote villages in Indonesia. So hey guys, so I just want to thank you so much. Today is all about you. We want to acknowledge you. We want to appreciate you. And we never ask for donation from our clients. So this is not asking for donation. The way you can engage, the way you can participate with this mission is all you need to do. Send at least one person, right? Who do you know is planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Send it to us. Today we want to double up that commitment. For every person that you refer to our real estate sales team today, we're gonna double up our commitment towards the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, as well as World Harvest. You have that coupon, you have that paper on your seat. All you need to do, check World Harvest or Children's Hospital. Again, enjoy the show, and I'm looking forward to serving you and your families.
We at World Harvest have been able to see right here the impact of the support of our sponsors and how your help changes the lives of these children. But There are still many children in this community and countless others that are still in need of help to pursue a brighter future. So we hope that you join us in this movement to help these children and help us change lives in a positive way.
I wanted to look for a place for myself that's like closer to work because I used to work in downtown, and then I found a new job in City of Industry, so I wanted to find a place that's like closer to work but also doesn't take that much time like with the traffic. So like I found this location that's perfect because it's close to like downtown everywhere, like to places that I hang out with, at, and then it's also against traffic when I go to work. So I have like a couple like requirements that's on my list, like location, like price, neighborhood, like potential appreciation, everything. And this one pretty much checked off everything on my list, so I think it is like a good buy for me. I actually found another property online, not this one, so I reached out to the listing agent, and then that listing agent actually referred me to Mandy, like the agent that I'm working with right now. It was actually really good. At the first time I met with my agent Mandy, we met at a coffee shop, and then she was actually like really prepared already. Like she printed out like the list of all the property that she was going to show me that day, and then she took the time to understand like what's important for me, and then what my requirements are when I look for a property, and then yeah, it was really good. And then the whole process was like really smooth, and then maybe every weekend and they would meet up, and then she would show me like a couple of houses, and then she'll also like send me the list of the property that like meets my requirement. So it was like really good. Yeah, overall I'm like very like satisfied with my agent Mandy and her team, like Rudy Kasuma, home selling team.
Hi, my name is Carl Henderson, and I recently purchased this home with the help of Rudy Consumer real estate team. The experience was good. Julio Maldonado assisted me and actually became a very good associate over the past year, about a year and a half. Really dedicated his time and efforts to assist me, and anytime I called, he was prompt to call me back or to respond to a text message or email to let me know that there was an opportunity to look at a home. Not anytime did he ever deny meeting me at a property to look at it or to get my opinion. Never pushed or anything to try to force me into a sale, but always said it was my choice, and which I really appreciated, and appreciated the fact that he took so much time and showed care and concern toward my needs and what I was looking for. Just recently again purchased a home here in Corona, which is my targeted area, and all the homes that we looked at, there was a few that I walked into that just really said welcome, and the one that said welcome the loudest is what we just closed escrow on, and very happy about that. One of the things that I appreciate is the efforts that was put forth in the purchase of this home. It was one that I desired, and knowing that the competitiveness of the market was fierce, Julio really stuck with us and worked with me in beating other offers that was being made toward the home, and we were able to close the deal. With all that I've experienced with the sales team, I'm very satisfied and would recommend the sales expertise of Julio and the team, Rudy, and the real estate team, in making sure that others can also purchase homes as well.
Hi, my name is Ray. This is my sister Laura. We're from Los Angeles, California, and we recently sold our property provided to us by our parents, with the help of Rudy Kasama home selling team. Our agent was Susan Tron. Following the death of our parents, we received the home through the Living Trust, and my sisters and I sat around and we didn't know what to do.
This is a house that we grew up in. We had family functions, our relatives would come and visit, and we just had a great time in this house. So with our parents leaving this in a trust for us, it was we were very grateful that they gave us this trust and left us this money so we can further our careers, our advancement, or enjoy our family time.
And we heard that Rudy Kasama can sell our home for more money and with less hassle. That's why we went to them. It's been a unique experience. They really helped us. They answered our questions. Sue was a really big help. If you're in any kind of trouble or need a home sold, I would recommend coming to Rudy.
Sue put up a lot. She put up with a lot. She was answering our calls 10 p.m. at night. We would have conference calls with her, and she never shut us up. She just was right there for us. She was right there for us. She always helped us.
Okay, now we came to the Rudy Kasama home selling team for assistance, and I can't speak enough for Sue. She's really helped us out. Walking around with us, recommending items that need to be repaired or cleaned up, or maybe we had a question about what to eat this afternoon. She was really helpful. What documents we needed, when we needed to sign. Whenever we had questions, we could pick up the phone, we could email her. Whatever we needed to do, Sue was there. Sue was on the spot.
She was available for us 24/7. We had no issues, no complaints with Sue. If we had questions that we were unsure of, all we did was text her and say, can you explain this for us? We're not too sure what we're talking about here. So she'd call us up and we'd have our answers just like that.
If you're in a spot or you need to sell your home or buy a home, we recommend and will always recommend Rudy Kasama's home selling team, especially Sue. She's very helpful.
Our family was very satisfied with her experience and her professionalism that she had with us while selling her home.
And we would definitely recommend anybody to come into their office. They'll help you out.